This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Aria 4000 is a Class A RV. It is located in Rural Hall, North Carolina, 27045 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Winston, Salem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Aria 4000 is built on a Freightliner XC-R chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.